welcome on. Now we are going to see what is the difference between may and might in English. In the last video we have seen how to use may and its collection and how it is used for permission and for blessings and to talk about possibility. Okay, and now we are going to find out the difference. What is the difference between may and might? Okay, traditionally speaking, may is used for the present tense and might is used for the past tense. Okay, but in an international English, both are interchangeable, and for may might we can use verb one and we can use it when we talk. But traditionally, may is meant for present tense and might is meant for past tense. For may we need verb 1. This is three forms of the verb, present, past participle. We say it verb 1, this is verb 2 and this is verb 3. For the present tense we use verb 1 and for the past tense after might we use past participle. Okay, and now we are going to see the differences with examples. Okay, here we are using may, might to talk about possibility. Okay, we are using it to talk about probability. Okay, when we are not sure about certain things, okay, something we say sometimes chances are there for something to happen. Okay, we say sometimes. Okay, we are not always sure about what is going to happen. Okay, sometimes we have some confusion and doubts. Okay, so when we say possibly possibly something going to happen, we use may and this might. Okay, and here we have some example. For the present tense, subject, here in between subject and verb we use can, could, may, might, shall, should models. We use it in between subject and verb. Okay, here we have some examples. The first example, they may come to evening function. They may come to evening function indicates that okay, they are very busy. Okay, they have a busy schedule. They have so much of commitment. So there is no confirmation. They are not just saying with the surety whether they are going to come or not. So we say using this, they may come to evening function. Possibly they may come. It indicates that when we want to say possibility is there for them to come to another function, we say they may come to evening function. Here this is verb 1. Guys, here we have three forms of the verb. This is verb 1, this is verb 2 and this is verb 3. For the present tense we use verb 1. They may come to evening function. So they may come to evening function indicates that possibility is there. Okay, possibility is there for them to come because they are very busy. Okay, probability, we are talking about probability. Okay, chances are there. That's it. And the next example, he may study further. Okay, a guy may study further indicates that he may study or he's having confusion whether to go to a job or whether to study further. So when someone questions us, we say he may study further because he himself has so much of confusion because his parent expects him to go to a job, but he wants to study further. Okay, so he is in confusion. Okay, so we say he may study further. He may study further. Okay, possibility is there. Chances are there. That's it. This sentence does indicate that chances are there. And the next example, she may go to Los Angeles. Los Angeles this year. Okay, she may go to. Okay, we are talking about a girl. Her brother is in America. For an example, I'm telling. Her brother is in America. She also plans to go to America to work for 5 years. So she's thinking to go to America this year. Okay, but she has not decided whether to go this year or next year. So someone says she may go to Los Angeles this year. Okay, her idea is go to Los Angeles, of course, but not this year or next year. She is in confusion whether to go this year or next year. We say she may go this year. She may go this year, which means chances are there for her to go this year. Chances are there for her to go this year. That's it. And it may rain today evening. It may rain today evening. This is a rainy season, okay? When someone questions us, somebody is questioning, oh, will the rain come now? We cannot say always with a guarantee. We cannot say always with a confirmation. Yeah, it will, it will. Okay, when the cloudy, when it is sunny, okay, when it is not cloudy, if it is sunny, we cannot say it. But it is a rainy season, so we say like this, it may rain today evening. We say it may rain today evening. Okay, chances are there for the rain to come. Chances are there. It indicates that chances are there. Possibility is there. And that's it. Okay, it gives only that meaning. And here the next example, she may be busy. She may be busy. Here we use be as a verb. Here we don't have what is a regular, irregular word. This and yeah, we cannot when we cannot talk about going, coming, writing, playing, singing, some verbs like that. We use be as a verb. Maybe she may be busy. Okay, I want to see my friend, but she's busy in her studies. She has to write a lot. She has to study a lot. So I'm thinking, I think she may be busy. She may be busy because she has some examination tomorrow, next week. She may be busy, which indicates that possibly she may be busy. So I don't want to disturb her. I'm thinking she may be busy. So we use be as a helping verb for may. And not only for may, be is used as a helping verb for may, might, can, could, shall, should, will, would. For everything we use be as a helping verb. Okay? And this is meant for present tense. In the present tense, we form a sentence like this. And in the past tense, may, might is the past tense form of may. So this is present. May indicates present, and here might indicates past. For the past tense, we need have plus past participle. We don't use past participle alone. We use it along with have. Have gone, have rained, have studied. Okay, so when we want to talk about the same possibility and probability in the past, okay, when we want to talk about the same possibility and likelihood in the past tense, we use might and have and past participle. Okay, here we are talking about not the present time, we are talking about past time. I mean, up to the last moment, the sentence formation suits up to the last moment. Here we have some examples. They might have come to function yesterday. They might have come to function yesterday. Might have come. We are not giving. We are not saying they came. They came. They might have come. Possibility is there because we are not sure about it. I didn't go to function. You didn't go to function. So no one can say with a guarantee whether they came or not. So we say they might have come to function. They might have. This comes as past participle. Okay, we use always have along with this past participle. So they might have come to function. Okay, possibility was there. Okay, so for the same possibility, for the past tense we are using might have past participle. This is past participle. And the next example, he might have studied further. I met my friend a long time ago. After that, I didn't get a chance to meet him. Okay, he wanted to study MBA, but I studied with him MCom. After that, I didn't get a chance to see him. So I'm thinking he might have studied further, something like some studies like MBA. He might have studied. Okay, possibility was there. Okay, I mean in the process we are saying, we are talking about possibility. Okay, he might have studied, but we don't know, we are not sure about it. That is what it indicates. And the next example, she might have gone to Los Angeles last year. If we are talking about possibility in the present tense, we use may and present tense verb. When we want to say the same in the past tense, we use might have past participle. She might have gone to Los Angeles last year for the same possibility. Okay, we are using this sentence for the past tense. So she might have gone to Los Angeles last year. Might have gone. We don't know. We are not sure about it. After that, we didn't get a chance to see them. We didn't get a chance to talk to them. So here it indicates doubt. That's it. And the next example, it might have rained yesterday. It might have rained yesterday. Yesterday, for example, uh, in Australia, we take Australia for an example. Someone is questioning. It rained here. It rained here. I mean, in the present tense, we take this example. It may rain now. It may rain, or today evening it may rain. So we are talking about possibility for this time or for the near future. We are talking about this. But in the past tense, we are saying when someone questions us in Australia whether it rained in Australia, all over the world it rains. Everywhere it rains, whether it rained in Australia or not. When someone questions us, we say, I'm not sure about it because I don't have any friends over there. I don't have anyone to clarify my doubts. So I can say it might have rained in Australia yesterday. It might have rained. Possibility is there. Okay, in the past tense. Okay, yesterday, I'm talking about yesterday. It might have rained, but chances are there. But it is not confirmed. There is no guarantee. Okay, it has a doubt. Okay, so for that we use this formation. And the next example, she might have been busy. Here in the present tense, she may be busy. So be becomes been in the past tense. Been is the past participle for be. Okay, before that use have. So she might have been. She might have been busy. Here been is past participle. She might have been busy indicates that yesterday I wanted to meet my friend, but she didn't call me. If she would have been free, she would have made a call. So I think she might have been busy yesterday. Okay, possibly, probably she might have been busy. So here we are talking about the same possibility, probability in the past tense. We are talking about past time up to the last moment. We form the sentences using might, have and past participle. Okay, to talk about possibility. Okay, that's it. In the present tense for the same, we use may, verb 1. Subject, may, verb 1. And in the past tense, subject, may becomes might and past participle is a verb. But past participle we use it in a traditional English, we use it along with have. Have come, have studied. Okay, we use it like this. Have come, have studied, have gone, have reigned, have been. So this is how we form the sentences using may and might. This is there in traditional English. This is a common rule. Okay, but for the present tense, in an international English, in the present tense, because when those who speak a very simple English, they follow this rule. And in an international English, for the present tense, we use for the present tense, we can use both may and might with verb 1. Okay, and for the past tense, we need definitely past participle. Okay, hope you have got it, guys. Thanks for listening, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.